In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post journals on Xero. Navigating financial software can sometimes feel like walking through a maze, but fear not. I'm here to guide you through the process of posting journals on Xero, making it as straightforward as possible. Once you've logged in, you'll notice your Xero dashboard right in front of you. This interface is designed to be user-friendly, though it's essential to have a clear understanding of where you need to head next. From here, your initial task is to locate the accounting menu. This section is essentially the heart of your financial management operations. The accounting menu is your go-to area whether you are tracking expenses or, like today, posting journals. To dive into today's focus, look for a specific option within the accounting section called Manual Journals. This feature is incredibly helpful as it enables you to enter transactions or adjustments manually, offering you greater control over your books. It's a crucial function for making any necessary adjustments to ensure that everything is accurately recorded in your financial statements. Once you click on Manual Journals, you'll come across several options. If you're ready to post a journal, what you're looking for is the draft option. This section is significant because it houses all your draft journals. These are journals that you've prepared but haven't made official yet. They're in this pending state, awaiting your final review or further action. When you enter the draft section, locate your drafted journal. This is an important part of the process. Take a moment here to thoroughly review the draft, because it's your opportunity to verify that all the details are correct before anything is finalized. Now, accuracy in accounting is paramount. It builds trust and reliability in financial reporting. Clicking on your drafted journal allows Xero to let you make necessary changes. Perhaps there's a slight error in the amounts, or maybe an account needs tweaking. Consider this step as your safety net. It ensures everything is precisely how it should be before you officially commit it to your accounts. After ensuring everything is accurate and neatly in place, it's time to post your journal. Look for the Post button. Clicking this is like hitting the green light, signifying you're ready to make your entry official. Once posted, your journal will impact your financial statements just as you planned. Approach this final post with care. A moment of patience can save you quite a bit of time later on if errors were to pop up. Xero is intuitive, yet it depends on your diligence to maintain the integrity of your financial data. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Make it a regular habit to review both your posted and draft journals. Consistently monitoring and updating your financial records keeps you compliant and provides clearer insights into your financial health. And there you go. You've navigated through the process of posting journals on Xero. Remember, when it comes to any financial software, understanding the workflow is key. Once you're comfortable with the process, it becomes a powerful tool for efficiently managing your financial records. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. Managing financial records need not be daunting. With tools like Xero and a step-by-step approach, you can ensure your accounting is accurate, up-to-date, and truly reflective of your financial status. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be navigating Xero like a pro.